Berkshire Forest. The tranquil Myrtle Beach community offers buyers an exceptional range of housing options and spacious single-family homes as well as lakefront and wooded home sites. A Pulte Homes community of single-family homes in the popular Myrtle Beach community, Carolina Forest. Choose from 4 home collections with floor plans for every lifestyle and prices for every budget. Berkshire Forest encompasses a collection of distinctive and thoughtfully planned neighborhoods featuring abundant trees and green space, as well as Pulte life-tested home designs. Amenities are extensive and include a residence club, swimming pool, basketball court, tennis court, and a nearby oceanfront beach club. The Myrtle Beach Grand Strand area is one of America's favorite coastal vacation destinations, combining miles of perfect Atlantic beaches, golfing, and an abundance of family-friendly activities. The community is in close proximity to 2 popular attractions in the Myrtle Beach area: Broadway at the Beach, an entertainment venue deemed South Carolina's favorite travel destination, and the Market Common, a shopping and dining urban marketplace. Quality homes in an attractive environment combined with mild winters and an ideal location at the heart of South Carolina's Grand Strand make Berkshire Forest a great setting for a vacation home or year-round living.